Hello, wellness seekers. Ever find yourself battling an intense urge for something sweet, salty, or just plain comforting? You are definitely not alone. Food cravings are a universal experience, but they don't have to control your life. Today, we're diving into science backed strategies to help you take back control. Cravings aren't just about willpower, they're a complex interplay of brain chemistry, hormones, and emotions. Our brains are wired for pleasure, and foods high in sugar, fat, and salt trigger a dopamine rush, creating a powerful reward pathway. This biological response can make resisting certain foods incredibly challenging. Hormonal fluctuations, like those during PMS, can also intensify cravings. Emotional triggers, such as stress, boredom, or sadness, often lead us to seek comfort in food. Understanding these roots is the first step to managing them effectively. A crucial distinction is between true physical hunger and a craving. Hunger builds gradually, can be satisfied by various foods, and often comes with physical sensations like a rumbling stomach. Cravings, however, are sudden, specific, and often feel urgent even if you've recently eaten. Before reaching for that snack, pause and ask yourself, am I truly hungry, or is this a craving? This simple moment of awareness can empower you to make a more conscious choice. Your daily habits significantly influence your desire to snack. Lack of sleep disrupts hunger-regulating hormones like ghrelin and leptin, making you feel hungrier and crave more sugary foods. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can increase appetite and lead to comfort eating. Dehydration can also masquerade as hunger. Sometimes what feels like a craving is simply your body asking for water. Prioritizing adequate sleep, managing stress, and staying well hydrated are foundational steps to reducing cravings. When a craving strikes, don't immediately restrict yourself. Instead, try a smart swap. If you crave something sweet, opt for fruit or a small piece of dark chocolate. For salty urges, consider air-popped popcorn or a handful of nuts. Mindful eating techniques can also be powerful. Take a moment to truly savor your food, noticing its taste, texture, and smell. Eating slowly and without distraction helps you recognize satisfaction cues, preventing overeating and reducing the intensity of future cravings. Dopamine plays a key role in cravings, creating a reward loop. You can retrain the system by finding alternative healthy sources of pleasure. Engage in activities you enjoy, like exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. When you consistently choose these non-food rewards, you gradually weaken the association between certain foods and intense pleasure. This helps break the cycle of seeking comfort solely through eating. A well-balanced diet is your best defense against cravings. Meals rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This stability prevents blood sugar crashes that often trigger intense urges for quick energy. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Planning your meals and snacks in advance can also reduce impulsive choices when cravings hit. Consistency is key to maintaining stable energy levels and reducing the likelihood of cravings. Cravings often spike during specific times like PMS, emotional lows, or boredom. For PMS, ensure you're getting enough magnesium and B vitamins and consider gentle exercise. When feeling emotional, practice self-compassion and explore non-food coping mechanisms like journaling or talking to a friend. For boredom, engage in an activity that genuinely interests you. Having a list of go-to distractions can be incredibly helpful. Remember, these feelings are temporary and you have the power to choose your response. Breaking the cycle of guilt and binging requires a fundamental mindset shift. Instead of viewing cravings as failures, see them as signals. Approach your relationship with food with curiosity and kindness, not judgment. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small conscious choice you make builds momentum towards a healthier, more balanced relationship with food. You are capable of creating lasting change and feeling more in control.